Hello guys, so welcome to my another new video. So today in this video I am going to show you that how we can make artificial intelligence AI using Python, and it's like Alexa, Amazon Alexa, Siri, it's like them. So let's make it. So first of all, I'm opening my previous project and let me show you that how it works. So let's start it.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
The time,
Sir, the time is 20 hours 33 minutes and 17 seconds.
you can ask anything that you want. So play music. So it will start playing music, as you can see. So now open YouTube. So as you can see, it has opened YouTube. Open Chrome. So as you can see, it has opened Chrome browser. Now it can also send email.
What should I say?
Hello, I am Jarvis and I am an artificial intelligence AI.
Email sent successful.
So now let's see if email has come. So it's my another Gmail I have made for sending email from. So you can use your personal email to send emails. So here is my email and I have sent the email to this account, to this email. So now let's check. So here, as you can see, hello, I am Service. It should be Jarvis. Hello, I am Jarvis and I am artificial intelligence AI. As you can see, it has come 1 minute ago, and here is our Jarvis. And now let's see how we can make it. So now first of all, I am copying all these codes here and I will define what is what for. Because I don't want to waste your time, I'll give the code in the description. You can copy and paste it into your own file. So Jarvis jarvis.py, there should be the extension py because it's the extension of Python file. So now let's open it and set for Ctrl V. Alright, so here it is. Now first of all, import pyttsx3. So here should be pip install pyttsx3. So first of all, run it here. Click on this plus icon here. Now type pip
Good evening. I am
install
Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
pyttsx3. Alright, now install this one. So it should be it will be installed after you type this command. So I have already installed, that's why it's not showing that command. Alright, so next is pip install speech recognition. Pip install speech recognition. so it's also installed on my computer. Now click install Wikipedia. Click
Searching Wikipedia.
install Wikipedia. Jarvis is listening to me while I don't turn it off that. Alright, so after this, now just very easily close this terminal and close it, and now just very easily alright, so import pyttsx3, it's our Python extension, and you have to download it, install it. And then next is speech recognition. Now what is this speech recognition? So this is basically this is an extension that it's a Python extension, and it is only for the main, and it is the main thing, because if it's not installed, then my Jarvis cannot talk, cannot speak, because it's needed to speech. So alright, so Wikipedia. So what is Wikipedia? Wikipedia is that you know what is Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a website, and that's the type of dictionary of everything. So now let's web browser. So if you can open a website like YouTube, open Facebook, open Chrome, so this web browser extension will work for that. Import OS, it's another extension, and SMTP, it's a extension for sending email. If you need to send email, it's a private browser, you can say a private browser. If when you say Jarvis to send email, it will open the SMTP lib. It's a private browser of Python own, and there you have to give your email password and Gmail account in below here you have to give your email and password. Alright, so now Satisfy, this is the main engine. Without it cannot talk. So here 0, you can change it to 0 and 1. 0 is for male voice and 1 is for female voice. Now let's take it.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you?
Send email.
What should I say?
So as you can see, it's a female voice, so let's change it to 0 because Jarvis is a male. So now let's come here, speak audio. What is this for? This is for speak. Without this it cannot speak. And now what is wish me? It's the thing that good morning, good afternoon, good evening, it will wish you, it will greet you. And here is speak. So after this it will speak that I am Jarvis, please tell me how may I help. So now let's check this one. You can change this type of this sentences, you can change anything, you can write anything into this course. Now let's see here. So now what is this take command for? It takes microphone input from the user and returns string output. So what does it do is you talk and it will give a string output. Now let's see here SR recognizer with SR microphone as source. When the Jarvis is listening to you, it will show that listening. So now let's come down here. So you can change your language here, language EN. You can change anything with your language. So here send email. So here smtp.gmail.com. so it's the main thing. It's a private Gmail, or you can say a private Gmail website, some type of that, and it's a private Gmail website of Python. So now here in server login, now here you have to give your Gmail, and here will be your password, your Gmail, your password, and here send email. Now who you want to send the email to, so here is your send email to. Now let's come here. Now here are some basic tasks. So Wikipedia. Now if you say that Wikipedia, and after saying Wikipedia you can say anything. Let me show you first.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you.
Wikipedia YouTube.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, YouTube is an online video platform owned by Google. In total, users watch more than 1 billion hours of YouTube videos each day,
So here,
and hundreds of hours of video
so here as you can see, Wikipedia also works. Now let's go down here. You can just copy it and paste it here, and you can just edit this sentence and whatever you want to say. If you want to say that open YT or open Facebook or something, that you can, then you can edit it here. Now let's come here, open Google. So now it's also same as a web browser open. So web browser, I already told you that it's a browser and it will open your computer's default browser. Now the time, so what is the time? The time, it will say you the time that is right now. So what is this open Chrome? So this open Chrome is up, and this is a program path. So if you this is the thing that you need to say. So if you want to open any program, then just you can give it anything. So suppose I want to open Google Chrome. So here is my Google Chrome. Now what I am going to do is, let me show you.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you.
Open Chrome. So here as you can see, it is open Chrome browser. So if you want to open any program, or alright, so let me show you. Suppose I want to open okay, so suppose I want to open this one, Microsoft Edge. So let me close it first. So here is our Microsoft Edge. Now click on here, and now just now just copy it again. Now just copy it, Control plus. Now Control plus V to paste it here, and here open Edge, open browser, and the Chrome path will be here. Now cut this one, cut this path and put your pad here. Control plus V, and now here give add an extra oblique here. Alright, Control plus save. Now let's run it again.
Good evening. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how may I help you.
Open browser. So as you can see, it has open browser. And now let me close it first. Alright. So now our project 1 artificial intelligence AI is complete, and all the codes are in the description box below, so you can copy it from there. And all these codes and file are also attached in the description, and I have also created a website. You can visit that, and if you need a tutorial on HTML, CSS, how to make websites, then just comment down below. Feel free to comment and like the video if you really like this file, this artificial intelligence. So bye bye.